Hello, my name is Sakari Lehtinen. Let's continue on getting started with simplebim by merging models and editing their placements. There seems to be endless use cases for model merging. Whatever the reason, simplebim will allow you not just to overlay the models, but also harmonize their data and structures and create well-defined single-file models from the end result. Now let's see how it works. Click on the Merge IFC button. There are a few options here. You can either try to harmonize the model structures automatically or do it manually later. I'll choose to merge the containment. You can only merge the building stories automatically if you merge the sites and buildings also. Click Merge and choose the models. Note that you can merge multiple models at the same time. Click Open and the models are imported and merged to the existing model. Some of the harmonization is already done in the import process. For example, if the models are in different units, they are converted to the same. Now we have the models in. As the 3D tells us, the models are far away from each other, and thus they are so small that we cannot see them in the 3D. You should of course always coordinate the model placements in your BIM projects, such that the models are in line automatically. However, many times it's not possible to have all the models in the same coordinates, for example because of the different applications in use. This is where Model Placement Editor comes in. Here we are. Because the models are far away from each other, they are shown in different buckets. This way we can see and pick points from all of them at the same time. You can easily see the different coordinate systems of the models in the Map Coordinate Systems tab. Simply choose the model and a coordinate system. The placement and rotation is shown below. If you click Apply, mapping will automatically calculate the difference between chosen coordinate systems and move and rotate the target model accordingly. More basic option is to set the origin of the model. Here in the Origin tab, you simply pick or set the absolute coordinates for your model. More precisely, for the site coordinate system, this is just how it works in IFC. Note that you can pick a point from any viewport and any model. In the Move tab, you can set or pick an offset to the model. Again, you can choose the start and end points from any viewport or model. The Rotate tab will help you to align the models. You can set the angle manually or pick the alignment with 4 points. If you want to pick the points, please follow the instructions below. Note that the rotation will be done around the model coordinate system, so the end result might not always be what you expected. If not, please adjust the placement again after the alignment. Okay, now we have the correct placements. So what else we can do to the merged model before we export it back to IFC? First of all, note that you can filter the models at any time. This will help you in visualization, editing, and the filter also affects on what gets exported back to IFC. Some basic information about the models will be found from the model information. This is also one place to select all the objects in a model at once. You could do this also with the quick selects. How about editing and validation? Everything you can do with a single model, you can do to multiple models, either manually or automatically with the templates. We already merged the containment. You could fine-tune it further in the containment editor. You could trim the models in the model trimmer, or edit and harmonize their properties in the property editor. You could edit and harmonize the systems, zones, groups and types, and even the appearances in the appearance editor. Okay, that's the basics of the model merging and model placement editor. When you're ready, it's time to learn how you can export the models back to IFC, either as single files or multiple partial models, and also how you can automate the edits with the templates. Click on the Export Preview button and continue by watching the tutorials over there. See you in a bit.